with mommy?
Blood? I don't like to eat blood.
Why?
Cause blood is yucky.
Huh?
Blood is yucky.
What's a blood?
It's meant to be.
So lonely, so I can finally see when you're gone. I'm driving, going home. I'm done for the night. I'm tired. Oh my God, love, shout out to everybody who's watching me right now.
Mommy, I had a haystack
What is
and
haystack?
I had
Sa man na, may bisaya ka, di ko kasabot. I,
ice cream cake.
Huh?
Ice cream cake.
An ice cream cake.
Mhm.
An ice cream. Mani, maura niya akong akong kanon, my rice, and of course, my bulad. Ayan, my bulad. Sponsored by my friend Miranda. Ayan, nakatago pa ang bulad natin. Para hindi siya mag-stinky, hindi siya maamoy. Kasi yung anakins ko, saka yung dad niya, ang arte-arte. Ha? Diyos ko. Bulad.
Blood.
Bulad.
Blood.
It's a dried fish. Do you want to eat?
No.
No.
It's dry and it's smelly.
Ka-arty! Gayud ka-arty. Smelly di ay. Lami man siya.
It's smelly though.
It's good for your body. So, you eat bulad.
No.
Bulad is good. You eat bulad with mommy.
Blood? I don't like to eat blood.
Why?
Cause blood is yucky.
Huh?
Is yucky. Is yucky. Is yucky.
Huh?
Blood is yucky.
What's a blood?
That's what it is. You said it's blood, and blood is red and yucky. That's what vampires eat. I'm not a vampire.
Bulad.
Blood.
Bulad.
Blood.
Bulad.
Blood.
Bu. Lad.
Boo.
Lad.
Blood?
Ambot.
I want
What
to
are you
eat
talking
blood.
about?
I don't like to eat blood.
Bulad. Not balad. Tuyo mean tuyo. Are you hungry? Yeah.
Blood.
Yeah.
There. Now I'm gonna say it in the ear.
Mm.
Blood.
Huh?
Blood.
Bulad.
Blood.
Not balad.
Blood.
What's a blood? Sounds like blood. Boo. As in boo. Like that.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here's the
I feel good.
Hi everyone, so today we're doing mommy's hair and here it is this much.
What's it like this?
Oh,
Really?
hair up. Will look like that. And then that's how we do. And you can watch this video over and over again. You can do it. Okay guys, goodbye. Hit the bell button so subscribe and hit the bell button so all the new videos can come. Bye guys.